we were talking earlier about how we're going to have like a dramatic change in temperatures after such a gorgeous couple of days.
Yeah, and the change in temperatures is actually good for us with all these systems coming in because it lowers the severe risk. And of course, cloudy conditions, that is not what we want to hear. But system after system moving over the middle part of the country, bringing those severe weather risks. But for us here at home, we're going to see rain chances and we're going to see cloudy conditions, but we don't have much as far as that severe weather risk goes going through these next few days. We're going to see the potential for some wind, but we're seeing these temperatures falling and not much fuel for storms. So 64 degrees, that was the high temperature today in Boston. Upper 60s, 67 for Norwood, 63 in Bedford. And look at these high temperatures. This is the warmest we're going to see until we get into the weekend. So temperatures are falling from here. Lots of 50s on the board, including Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Thursday will be struggling to make it to the low 50s in spots, but those temperatures will start to rebound as we go into Friday, and the weekend is going to be at least a little bit warmer than what we're seeing these next few days. So temperatures throughout the evening, we're going to have those temperatures in the low 60s. Between 2 and 4 o'clock, we'll be seeing temperatures around 62 to 64 degrees, and then going through our next few hours, we'll be seeing mainly dry conditions and clouds that are sticking around. As far as the clouds are concerned, we will see some peaks of sunshine going through our day tomorrow and Wednesday, but generally mostly cloudy, a lot like what we're seeing out there at this time. Maybe some light showers, but our next main rain chance will be coming in as we go late Wednesday to early Thursday. This is a look Wednesday at 10 o'clock, starting to get in on our next rain chances. In the meantime, though, it is just going to be staying cloudy, and Thursday looks to be the wettest day of the bunch. So our next system that's heading our way is going to be fueling those clouds for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then eventually it will continue making its way to the north, and it will bring more wind into the picture. So today, breezy out there. You definitely noticed it if you've been outside. It's a day where you might want the sweater. Tomorrow, the next day, definitely want the sweater as we go through our next few days, but we're not going to see quite as much wind tomorrow, just cooler temperatures where you're going to need maybe an extra layer compared to what we've been seeing. So that continues on for Tuesday and for Wednesday as the wind is at least a notch lower than what we saw today. Once we get into Thursday, though, that's when the wind does increase yet again, especially right along the coast, as this low pressure is going to be coming pretty close by. That's going to bring us gusty winds and the potential for some heavy rain at times late Thursday into early Friday. So this system will be swooping by late Thursday to early Friday and keeping things a bit unsettled even into the early parts of Saturday. The second half of the weekend, though, we'll start to see improvements. Temperatures are going to start to warm up, and also we'll be seeing improvements as far as those rain chances go as well. So Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we're going to have a rain chance on each day. Saturday, mainly in the morning at this time, but it could stay a bit unsettled even into the early afternoon. And then by Sunday, we have those temperatures middle 60s for Sunday before Memorial Day. One of the best days on the 10-day forecast as it's looking mainly dry, mostly sunny, and we finally make it back to 70.
All right, well, hopefully it stays that way right now. Gorgeous Monday ahead. Sydney, thank you. Now is a good time to remind you about our free NBC 10 Boston app. You can check the forecast anytime and get weather alerts sent right to your phone.